Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit a choppy video with glow effect on CapCut. So first, you need to add your clips and then just go to video effects. Click on lens tab. Then select the edge glow effect. Then you can just adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 20. Click on a check icon and set the durations of the filter until the end of the clips. Okay, then to have that choppy or laggy effect, you need to go to the video effect again and then find the texture tab. Okay, this one, and select the doodle diary one. Then click on adjust. So for the texture and color, lower it to 0. Then for the speed, set it to around 70 or around 80. I'm going to go with 75. Then stickers and filter, lower it to 0. And then you're done, and you'll get that choppy, laggy video effect with glow. Okay, so you play it, it will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.